The first 3 months in any role are crucial. This is your chance to prove yourself to your new employer and assess the company's working culture. So it is important to create a plan of action to help you learn, develop, and excel in your new job. Here's our 5-step plan to help you succeed in your first 90 days. Step 1. Check in with your manager. These conversations should evolve naturally over time and will help you better understand the business and how your role fits into the priorities of the team. Step 2. Establish your priorities. This may change over the first few months in your role as you take on more responsibility, so be sure to stay on top of your key priorities. Step 3. Plan the actions you need to take. Where you identify opportunities to implement fast changes for early wins, be sure to put a plan in place to deliver these ideas and improvements. Step 4. Determine your deliverables. Analyse your current situation, identify any existing or potential problems, and develop a plan to overcome them. Create steps to achieve your goals, delivery dates, and milestones to help track your progress. Step 5. Identify your development needs. This should happen every day. Personal and professional development is an ongoing action, so you should always seek to increase your knowledge and grow your network. Browse all of our career advice here on michaelpage.co.uk/advice. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.